When was the last time you visited the circus?
Sean! Hello!
Let's see what he's doing on RuneScape.
Yeah, you can see right onto RuneScape though.
There he is.
In.
Where's he gone? He's gone. Oh no, he's brought another page up. Oh, there he is.
He's watching you on RuneScape.
What's this? Attack of the mutant cat. They know. Bless her.
Hey, pussycat.
Pussycat.
Oh, look at him there.
I'm gonna fall in.
How much memory have you got on it then?
4 meg.
So how long that?